Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable line wrapping selection within a console window. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. You can open up Command Prompt or PowerShell or whatever you choose to do so. I'm going to open up Command Prompt for this tutorial, so I'm just going to type in CMD into Start menu. Best match to come back with Command Prompt. I'm going to right click on that and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, left click on Yes. Now I'm going to go up to the top bar of the command prompt, right click on it, and then left click on Properties. On the Options tab, I'm going to check mark if you want to enable line wrapping selection inside of the text selection area. If you want to turn this off, just uncheck it, and then left click on OK. Close out of here, restart everything, and you should restart your computer, and that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.